today we are solving multi-step equations. This is kind of putting together what we were doing yesterday and then the equation. So, on this I want to do PEMDAS in the opposite order. What's the first step to solving this equation for number 1? Add 13 to both sides. So then I have 2.5x equals, what's 2 plus 13? 15. And then what do I want to do to get x alone? Divide by 2.5 on both sides. What is 15 divided by 2.5? And then if you need a calculator, I have some in the back corner. Okay. So for number 2, what's the first thing I want to do? What's negative 9 plus 5? Then to get f alone, I want to do what? On the left side, my 4's are going to cancel out. And then what's negative 4 times 4? Okay, on number 3, what's the first thing I want to do? So I get 15. Then how do I get x alone? Yep, divide both sides by 3. 15 divided by 3 is? Okay, so on number 4, everything on the left side is being divided by 4, so that's the first thing I want to do. I want to multiply both sides by 4. So on the left side, the 4's cancel out, and I'm left with k plus 1. What's 3 times 4? 12. And then to get k alone, I want to subtract 1 on both sides. 12 minus 1 is 11. Okay, so sometimes when we're solving an equation, we might need to combine like terms. Remember, combining like terms is what we did yesterday, where we put things that are the same together. So on number 9, before I can go ahead and solve it, I have 2 x terms. I want to combine those together. What is 9x minus 6x? 3x. And then what do I want to do to solve this? What's negative 12 minus 15? And then to get my x alone, I want to negative 27 divided by 3 is? Okay, on number 10, what do I want to do first? Yep, so combine the 12x and the 2x, which gives me 14x. (39) subtracting 4. But then what do I want to do next? Divide by 14 on both sides. Does 14 go nicely into 35? No. So what I can do is, on my calculator, so I can do 35 divided by 14, and it'll give me a decimal, but if I want my answer as a fraction, I can press math, And then my first choice says FRAC, that means fraction, and then I press enter, enter one more time, and it gives me back as a fraction. So I'm going to leave this answer as a fraction. Because even though this one worked out to a nice decimal, my other answers might not. Sometimes I might need to use my distributive property to solve it. So in this case, I want to distribute that too. What's 2 times 1? 2. 2 times negative x? Negative 2x. And then I have that 3 at the end. It doesn't change because it's not inside the parentheses. And it still equals negative 8. So then from here, I want to combine like terms. Yeah, so the 3 and 2 get added together, which gives me 5. Then what do I want to do? Negative 8 minus 5 is? And then to get my x alone, I want to do what? Just going to cancel out on the left. Negative 13 divided by negative 2. Okay. It is 6.5, but I'm going to leave it as a fraction. Yeah, 13 over 2. Because I have 2 negatives, it turns positive. Okay, so on number 12, the 33 is going to stay the same. The 12R is going to stay the same. Then I'm going to take this negative 3 and distribute it. So negative 3 times 9 is? Negative 3 times negative R? Positive 3R. And then from here I need to combine. What 2 things do I need to combine together? Yeah, my 12R and 3R. So the 33 stays the same. What's 12R plus 3R? Okay, and then what do I want to do? $33 plus 27 is to get my R alone, I want to it cancels out on the right side. 60 divided by 15 is